What's going on, everyone? This is RFBM, Raising the Financial Bar with Mar. And today I want to talk to you about a Instacart Express benefit that most Chase card holders will be able to take advantage of. So I recently signed up for it, and it is for a limited time and will expire in April. So for those of you that do not know, Instacart is a grocery delivery and pickup service in the United States and Canada. So basically, what you do is use their website or mobile app and order groceries from participating retailers. The shopping gets done by a personal shopper. So essentially, the gist of it is the fact that it saves you time and is a convenience. And I'd also add that it's not limited to just groceries. There's a bunch of participating retailers that cover different aspects. With that being said, since Chase has announced this new partnership with this delivery service, there are a wide range of Chase cards that are eligible for this offer. And I actually have two Chase products, the Chase Freedom Unlimited and the Chase Sapphire Preferred. So I could have chosen between either one of them to enroll for this membership. So for those of you that possibly have a Chase credit card, you definitely want to look into this to see. So essentially with this membership, you will get a $0 delivery fee for orders over $35, save on average $7 per order, and you will have lower service fees compared to non-member pricing. So keep in mind that with this service, they do price items a little higher than they would be purchased inside the store. But keep in mind, this is a premium service, so that's kind of the trade-off that you get. So the process to sign up is pretty simple. I went through the app to go through the process of signing up and adding my Chase card. However, you can go through this article as well. I'll provide it in the description, and these instructions pretty much guide you right through the process. Also, you do get a $10 discount that will be added to your account once you make your first order of $35, so that's a plus as well. All right, so things to keep in mind. The Instacart benefit is good until April 30th, 2022. As I mentioned earlier, it will be in April, so on that date of April 30th, your card will be charged $99 to auto renew the membership for the following year. So you want to avoid that. So in order to avoid that, you'll just go to the menu, click on Instacart Express, and click cancel membership. And what that'll do is you'll be able to continue to keep using the membership, but that will be proactive that way that you don't have to worry about that charge coming in that auto renewal. So per this CNBC article, there are 41 different Chase credit cards that qualify for this benefit. However, they are recommending these two, the Chase Sapphire and Chase Unlimited, based on the welcome offers and their rewards programs. Granted, they're probably getting a kickback off of suggesting these, but I do own both cards and they do have a lot of benefits. So crazy as it is, in the middle of me editing this video, it came out that Chase plans to launch a Instacart co-branded credit card sometime this year. And honestly, if we're being real, based on this recent survey from the Power Reviews on this article, they said 73% of respondents had purchased grocery items online within the most recent 3 months of being surveyed. And that number was a modest 17% 2017. So this is obviously a long-term money play with the companies. However, one thing they did recognize is that it will be a World Elite MasterCard, so it will have some of these perks that are listed. Alright, so that concludes the video today. If you enjoyed this content, please give it a like, comment, subscribe. Anyone own any Chase credit cards? Comment below. Let's discuss. I do plan on doing some Chase credit card videos because I really do enjoy their points and their sign-on bonus was pretty good. Share your comments below if you are also a member of Instacart so I can see how do you like it, what do you think about it. And as always, peace, love, blessings. This is RFBM, Raising the Financial Bar with Mar. Take care.
Our own mind has to be changed. We have to change our mind about ourselves.
Because this world is such a gimme. everybody back off. You know, everybody's like taught that from school.
I don't come to bow, I come to conquer.